Charlotte 911. Do you need
I
police?
just want to please come help me. My friend beside. I called one time, he knows
Medic, sir.
he's been shot, he's bleeding too much.
Emergency?
Please come. Please come. Please come on, please come on, please come on, please.
Hello?
No, I don't know what's inside, but
Sir, what's the address so a medic can get out there for someone shot?
please, please, sir.
Hello?
Yes, yes, come on, please, come on, please, come on.
We need to know where you are.
I'm gonna ask the
Not understanding. Sir, what's an address?
Please, hurry up, when you come on, please, come on.
Sir, what's the address of where you are? We need an address.
What's your side? You got the same thing, man.
What is it?
Man, Orville,
Alright,
please
medic, you
come
got
on.
to...
Please come on. Please come on.
They've got the address. They're getting them help.
Yes, please come on.
Sir, did you see who shot him?
Yes,
Medic, you have questions.
everyone,
Okay.
the
Hey,
world,
sir, did you
yes,
see who
please
shot your
come.
friend?
Please come.
Sir, did you see who shot your friend?
Yes, sir, please come. Please come.
Sir, did you see who shot your friend? Help is already on the way. Okay, what did the person look like that shot your friend? Sir, what did he look like, the person that shot your friend? Hey, sir, take a deep breath. Hello?
Charlotte 911, do you need police, fire, or medic?
Police, this girl just actually pulled the gun out on me and pointed it in my face right here at, she's still sitting there in a gray car. She have a gun.
Ma'am, what
Oh.
is the address to where you need the police?
Oh, listen, I don't know the address, but it's the budget in. Across
Budget
from there in the,
here. What street?
at Archdale Flat. I think it's, Archdale.
Okay, I'm not showing you on Archdale. Are you inside or outside?
I'm outside, but I'm standing right here on Kings Branch right now.
Kings Branch, do you see the other street right there?
Yes, it's Monteclair, but I'm the girl that pulled the gun. She's down at the store
Down at what store?
across from Budget Inn.
Okay, so you're on Kings Branch Way on Montclair Way?
It's, yeah, but I think
Okay.
it's called Archdale where, she pulled the gun out.
Okay, but
Yeah, at that little,
where are you at?
I'm standing right here outside at the, these apartments, Archdale Flat,
Okay, you're
right
on
here.
Kings Branch Way and Montclair
Yes,
Way
ma'am. I'm on
at
Kings Branch.
Archdale Flats, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
need medical attention? Do you need medic, yes or no?
No. She
Okay.
didn't shoot it. She just pointed it at me.
Who
Oh,
is
I
she
got a
to
cop
you?
right here. He just pulled up on me. Yeah, yeah.
Do you see the officer?
Uh-oh. What's up? Hey, man, well, huh? No, this ain't the police. This is somebody else. Oh,
Okay.
ma'am. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
listen,
so,
hold on. Okay, is she in a vehicle or on foot?
yes, ma'am, she's in a gray vehicle, a gray, Taurus.
A Ford Taurus. Okay. And
Yes,
were you able to
ma'am.
see the color of the gun? What color was it?
It's black. Yeah, 'cause she was pointing it in my face.
Is it a handgun?
Huh? Not yet.
Is it a handgun?
Yes, ma'am. It's a handgun.
Can you give me a description? She's black, white, or Hispanic?
She's black. She kind of heavy set. She have on a white shirt, some blue jean pants, and some black and white shoes.
Black and white shoes. Okay. And you said she just pointed the gun in your face?
Yeah, telling me to get off her block. Bitch, I'm going to have to shoot you. Get off my block.
Okay. And what store, do you know the name of the store she's at?
The mini mart.
Is she under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
I don't know. I don't know. And don't even give a damn. She need to be going to jail. Yes, ma'am. Her
Okay.
ass is out of here. You done pointed the gun at the wrong person and did not use it.
All right. And are you going to
Because
be
I have
waiting
not
at
done.
the corner of King Branch and Montclair at the Archdale Flats?
Do I need to? I'm taking this
Yes,
stuff in the
because
house.
I'm going to have an officer come out to you.
Well, you need to get him here quick before she try to pull off.
Right. No, I had already answered the call. That's why I wanted to just make sure I got the answers from you. Okay, so are you going to be waiting on a corner, or are you going into an apartment building?
I'm just taking my own bags and stuff in the house, and I'm coming back out.
Okay, can you give me a description of you?
I'm tall. I have on a black jacket with a black toboggan. I have on some blue jean pants and some blue and white shoes.
Blue and white shoes. What color jacket do you have on? Black jacket, you
It's
said?
black. Yes, ma'am.
You said blue and white shoes?
Yes, ma'am. But I'm taking my stuff into the house right now, and I'm coming right back out.
Okay. And give me 1 second. And you're a black female?
I'm a black female. Yes, ma'am.
So you want me, so are you going to be waiting outside?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have a call into the service. They have an officer already en route, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Hello?
This is Charlotte, number one. Received the hang-up calls. Everything all right there?
No, there's a lady out here by the store on the store out here on by Archdale Flat. She's been shot and she's extensively
I'll be right
losing
back
blood.
on the line. Do not hang up. American County Fire.
Yes, there's a lady that's been shot outside of Archdale Flat, and she is bleeding extensively and losing a lot of blood. I need y'all to get here ASAP.
Okay, hang on. What's the address?
The address. Hey, what's the address? Archdale Drive.
Okay, we have that call in and we have help on the way.
Okay.
Okay.
She said help.
Yep.
She just shot it and then drove off.
Okay,
City.
sir. Sir, are you still
Yo.
there?
She just.
Hello, sir.
He disconnected.
Okay, you guys have a call, I'm assuming, since we already have a call.
We have multiple calls.
Okay. We're on the way. Bye.
Charlotte 911.
Hello?
Do you need police, fire, or medic?
Man, we need medic and police
Okay,
officers.
hold for medic. Hold for medic. Police will stay on the line.
Medical County Fire, what's the address of the emergency?
Palmetto Lane, Archdale Flat. Hello?
Yeah, what's the address?
What's the address? Across the street from the president. Hello? Here, please. Come the fuck. Hello? Officer.
Yeah. Do you have an address?
What's the address, y'all? What's the address? Archdale. Archdale.
Do you have an apartment letter or number?
Do you know what the African store is?
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
A lady just got shot. That's all I can say, officer. I haven't seen anything. I don't know what was the
Is she with her
altercation.
now?
All I just know. Yes, it's me and a couple more people.
How old is she?
I don't know, officer. She's not
Well, just tell me
responding.
approximately.
Officer, please.
Listen, I'm not an officer. I'm medical dispatch. Tell me, tell me approximately how old she is.
How old is she, y'all? I don't, she's out
Is she, is she 20? Is
40,
she
40.
80?
No, she's about 40, 41.
Okay, that's what I need.
I'm finna go to the store and
Is she
shit and
awake?
ask for the, no sir, she's not responding. I'm
Is
going
she
to the
breathing?
store right now to get the
I need you
address.
to stay with the patient. I've got a location.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
But I don't know what happened. All I heard was a lady got shot and I came. I know who the lady is.
Okay, well
I
stay
don't
on
know
the
what.
line.
She's bleeding. Everybody's panicking on.
Okay.
Ah,
Is the assailant still nearby?
sir?
Is the person that shot her still there?
No, I don't know who that is.
Okay.
Archdale Drive.
Is there any serious bleeding?
Sir?
Okay, listen, they're on the way. This isn't slowing them down. I just need some information from you. Is there any serious bleeding?
Yes, I'm looking at it right now.
Okay.
Please, officer.
Like I said, I'm
Please,
sending
come
paramedics to you now. Stay on the line. I'll tell you what to do next.
All right,
We
please.
want to get a clean, dry cloth or towel
Yeah.
and press down firmly on the wound. Don't lift up to look. Police, you on the line?
We are.
Yeah, they're on the way.
All right.
Go ahead, police, if you got anything.
Sir, you said you don't know who shot her. Where is she at? Sir?
Police, I'm
Sir?
using the Archdale.
Okay. You said the Archdale?
Uh-huh.
I'm not showing him disconnecting yet. Sir, are you there? We have
Sir, you
other
still there?
calls. We have other
Okay.
calls there also. I could not understand. Did he say she was outside the store? Because I heard him say, I'm going back to the store.
Yeah, he was trying to get an address.
Okay. Unknown location.
I showed the originally plotted the laundry, but I don't know.
Okay. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. We have other priority calls
Okay.
coming in
Yeah,
at
we're on
that
the way.
location, and you all are 17? Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.